Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about the anti-gravity AI versus the Claude Code. So which AI coding assistant should you choose? So if you're looking for an AI assistant in 2026, you've probably come across anti-gravity and Claude Code. Both are powerful, but they're built for different types of developers. So which one should you choose? Let's start with the anti-gravity. So yeah, you just have to download the software. Then after that, this is how it looks like. So it's an AI first coding environment designed to automate large part of software development. Instead of simply suggesting code, it uses AI agents that can plan tasks, generate files, make edits across your project, and even verify their own work. It's ideal for developers who want to describe what they want and let AI handle much of the implementation. So, recent versions also include built in support for agent workflows, making it attractive for larger projects and rapid prototyping. Now, let's talk about the Claude Code. Unlike anti-gravity, Claude Code works directly from your terminal and understands your entire code base, runs shell commands, edits files, and integrates naturally into existing development workflows. And many developers prefer it because it gives them more direct control while still offering powerful AI assistant. It's especially strong for debugging, refactoring, and working on large existing projects. So yeah, you can choose the anti-gravity if you want an AI that acts more like an um, autonomous teammate, helping manage complex projects with multiple AI agents. It's great for fast app development and experimenting with agent-driven workflows. For Claude Code, if you prefer staying inside your terminal, want a maximum control over your development process, or frequently work on production code bases where precision matters, many experienced developers consider it one of the strongest coding agents currently available. Okay, so yeah, it depends of what kind of assistant do you need. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.